Great. So y'all, we're back. We're out here at my pond, the bass fishing with a frog. I don't know how to turn this thing around, but we're out here bass fishing with a frog, and using this pole. I want to see if we can get something done here today. I'll hold y'all whenever I catch fish, or at least when I get a bite. Alright, so they weren't really biting on the frog that much. I tried for about 15 minutes. I didn't get a bite. So we're going to switch it up to a weightless Senko. And we're going to see if we can catch anything on that. I'll get back to y'all when I catch something. Sorry I wasn't recording. I thought I was. But there's a nice 1.5 pounder. Look at him. He ate that Senko. I hooked him good. Wacky rig. But yeah. It's a nice 1.5 pounder. Let him go. Oh, buddy. Alright. Just get out there. Try to catch some more. I'll get back with y'all if I catch another one. Alright. I got me another one. Oh, he came off. He came off. On the Senko. It was at the same spot. I'm thinking they might be stacked up. I'm going to keep y'all on the call. I'm not on the call, but on the video. I'm going to see if I can catch another one real fast. I got another one. Oh, I missed him. God dang it. I missed it. But they're all pretty small. I mean, except the first one I caught. The first one I caught decent size for this pond. This pond here don't really hold up a bunch of fish. But, you know, it has a lot. That's a lot of fish. God, wait. I saw another one. These fire ants are so bad. Okay, so over here. I think we might be able to catch one more. I think after I catch one more, I'm gonna go back up to the house. These fire ants are killing me right now. Eating me alive. It's one bad thing about this pond. There's fire ants everywhere. Fire ants are everywhere. It's one thing I don't like about it. And also there ain't really big fish. But there's a pond right up the road that I think I might go ask to fish here in the next month or two. Because there's like 6 and 7 pounders in there. I think, yeah, that pond's loaded. I've seen pictures of 6, 7s, and 10s in there. I think they're Florida bred bass that he stocked in there. But I got another pond up there across the road that I fish at. I catch some monster catfish. Monsters. I think that might be one of my next videos. And here, no, actually, my next video is going to be me bluegill fishing here. Because I've seen a bunch of big bluegill popping up right here. Some catch, clean, and cook action. Might be going on the next video. Then y'all get hunting videos whenever hunting season comes around. But honestly, fishing is probably my favorite thing to do. And if y'all got any tips for like bass fishing and catfishing and bluegill fishing, leave them down below because I need me a little bit of help. If I can even catch one more fish. I don't know if I will or not. Give it about 10 more minutes. Oh, this video has been going on for 6 minutes right here. After this cast, I think I'm done. Well, one more cast after this cast and I'm done. Yeah, comment what's y'all's favorite, like, fishing rig. comment that. 'Cause I, like I said, need a little bit of help. I'm gonna do a little bit of lake fishing too. I don't know if y'all know this lake, but Tazewell Lake. You probably don't, but I'm gonna do some fishing over there. I've done caught a few really nice fish over there this year on swim baits and crankbaits. But crankbaits during the summer and spring is the best bait that I've used on lakes. And you know, sometimes they'll bite on a big old 10-inch worm. Actually, I caught a few days ago on a 10-inch worm. 3 in a row. And they were solid. I think that's the end of me for a day anyway. My bait just casted off. Don't know how that happened.